How to fix Wi-Fi not showing up in Windows. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your Wi-Fi not showing up in your Windows device. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is you will need to search for services in your search bar and open the services up. Right here, you will need to locate WLAN. So simply search for WLAN, and here you should see an option that says WLAN autoconfig. Open this up, and right here make sure that the startup type is on automatic. It can be on manual, but make sure that you turn it to automatic. Tap on apply and then tap on OK. After doing that, if it's already on your automatic, you can simply just stop it for now and then start it again. After you start it again, you might have to restart your device. After doing that, your problem should get fixed, but if it does not get fixed, you might have to update your Wi-Fi drivers. So for that, head over to your control panel. So search for control panel, open it up. There you should see device manager. Tap on device manager, and right there you should see your Wi-Fi drivers. It should be somewhere around here. You can search for it, and there you go, network adapters, and there is your Wi-Fi drivers. Now simply update it. You'll see the driver section. Tap on update driver. You can choose whichever is most suitable for you, and after you update it, you are good to go. And that is how you fix this issue, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.